In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate your Zoom meetings with Google Calendar. This method is not only simple, but ensures a clean and smooth workflow when scheduling and managing your virtual appointments. Whether you're coordinating a team meeting or planning a personal event, this guide will help you utilize the best of both Zoom and Google Calendar. To get started, let's head over to the Google Workspace Marketplace. Once you're there, use the search bar to look for Zoom for Google Workspace. It's a handy little add-on that bridges the gap between your Google Calendar and Zoom, making it incredibly easy to set up video meetings right from your calendar. Click on the Install button, and don't worry if you see a request for permissions. Just accept them and follow the prompts. This is standard procedure and ensures that everything works smoothly together. Now that the add-on is installed, let's move on to creating an event in Google Calendar. Whether you want to create a new event or edit an existing one, the process is straightforward. Open Google Calendar and click on the day and time you want your event to happen. Once your event window is open, look for the video conferencing options. You should see a drop-down menu, typically labeled something like Add Video Conferencing. Select Zoom Meeting from this menu. You'll notice that the Zoom meeting link, meeting ID, and passcode are automatically generated and inserted into your event description. This means you don't have to hop back and forth between the two apps, and it reduces the chance of any errors or missing information, helping you manage your time and meetings more efficiently. As you finalize the event, don't forget to add all your guests. This is the critical step where you actually send them invites with all the necessary information. It's also important to set the appropriate date and time for your meeting. Once you're satisfied with everything you've inputted, click Save. At this point, invitations containing the Zoom link and all relevant details are sent directly to your guests' inboxes. This process helps ensure everyone has quick access to join the meeting and keeps everything in one centralized location. If adjustments need to be made to the Zoom meeting settings at any later stage, simply go back to the event in your Google Calendar. You'll notice a Zoom add-on icon on the sidebar. Click this icon, and a menu will appear allowing you to tweak various settings like adding alternative hosts or changing the passcode. After making any necessary changes, be sure to click Update Meeting, ensuring that all participants have the most current information. And there you have it. A seamless integration of Zoom and Google Calendar. This strategy not only saves you time, but also increases the efficiency of managing your meetings. Thank you for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more practical tech tips.